more butter, soften that side a little up. That's it. Gotta have that little butter. That butter goes a long way on the tortillas. Taco pizza, whatever you want to make to go. What's going down over here? Check it out. Alright. Look at sure. Oh yeah. Alright y'all, let's put these good old sausages up here. Trying to hit up these sausages. Do you dig it? Do you dig it? Do you dig it? I'm home today too. Let's cheese yesterday. I'm gonna put the cheese steak. About the chain. Yeah. Yeah, so what it is, everybody? Gotta have a big couple of onions, y'all. Come on now. Yeah, hook it up, y'all. Yeah, appreciate it. That's all we doing, y'all. Much love, what it do, where you from, Put them free breakfast tacos, y'all, you already know. With them fresh bell peppers and onions. Oh shit, look who it is, my boy Armed and Dangerous. Oh, my much love Chicago in the house, man. That's what's up. I've been looking for my brother to tap in. What's up with you, bro? Yes, sir. My boy Armed and Dangerous on the block. He's on the block today, everybody. What's up with it, man? Show love to my boy channel, y'all. Say, he tell you be safe. He tell you how to be safe with that damn thing on you. You dig? Don't be stupid with it. My boy Armed and Dangerous. What's up with it, bro? Oh, man, it's going down, bro. You know, I'm whipping it up today. I'm gonna cook up some shit. Yes, sir. Boy, my boy Armed and Dangerous, man. Say, y'all got to subscribe to his channel, man. Say, I'm telling you, say, he tell you what to do and what not to do. You did. Yeah, much love, man. Say, yeah, I got to